What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Nash, and today I'm going to be doing something a little different. I want to talk about my Robinhood stock position. So if you didn't know, Robinhood went public last week. I believe it was the beginning of last week. And, I decided to buy the shares. I bought a day after it went IPO. And if you were paying attention to the price action on Robinhood, you'd have seen that the day after it went IPO, it went all the way down. It just tanked, right? That's when I decided to buy the stock. Now, if you were paying attention again, you'd have seen that the next day, the price went up from around $38 all the way up close to $70. And in my portfolio, I was seeing an 80% gain, 90% gain in the portfolio, but I didn't sell it. I kept holding on to it. So I'm going to be going over my portfolio or my Robinhood position in the portfolio. And let me know if you guys enjoy stock videos like this. I definitely do have a pretty big portfolio, with the stocks that I have in there. I can make more videos like this. All right, so I started using Robinhood back in 2016, and it was my first time ever buying a stock. And I bought 2 shares of Twitter back in 2016, and they went up by $1, and I sold them the next day. And that was my first time, investing in Robinhood. And there's a lot of people that are, their first time investing is using Robinhood. And some people are starting today. Some people are planning on starting by using Robinhood just because of how popular it is, right? All right, so as you can see, this is my position in Robinhood. As you can see, it is valued at $1,744 to the dot. And I have about 30 shares, 30.688 if you want to go into the fractional shares. And my gain is about 31%, and that is $422. All right, so a couple of days ago when Robinhood was going up, it was close to $70, and I had bought this around, $34, $35. That's when I had bought it. I was seeing, gains of close to $1,000. Right? It was close to $1,000. I thought it was going to keep going up, but it went down the next day. But as you can see, I'm still up 31%, which I think is really impressive. Now, if we go to, you can see here, some of the stats that I have on here. We have today, it's had a 3% gain. I think it's going to keep going up. I think it's a great business model, and they're going to have more customers. So you can see that my cost basis is around $1,300, which is how much I invested. It's around that same amount. So, whatever is on top of that is, profit. That's the 31% gain that you're seeing. So a couple of stats that I was looking at when I was looking into Robinhood, I like to look at, the revenue, how much money are they bringing in, right, as a business. Now, I was looking from 2015 all the way up to 2020. So in 2015, Robinhood's revenue was about $2.9 million. That was the revenue, which is a lot, right? Now, in 2020, the revenue was $959 million, so close to $1 billion in revenue. Now, you can only imagine if you think about 2021, the year is not even over. It's going to be, over $1 billion in revenue. So you can even look at some projections that, you can look this up online, and you can see that the projections are going to be way over that $959 million. So according to Forbes, if you want to compare like 2015 to 2021, when it comes to the users, in 2015, Robinhood had about 500,000 users, right? Now, in 2021, it is at 18 million users, and it is estimated that it's probably more than that, based on, how many people started investing because of GameStop, AMC, and things like that, right? There's a lot of people that are starting to invest, and I think the average age for the person that invests on Robinhood is like 35 years old. And you can even think about, when someone starts investing at such a young age, they have all these years to invest, and Robinhood is going to be making money off of that person, right? So the younger the people are, the more Robinhood is going to make money over time, based on those people. So when it comes to the valuation, I was looking for this. I believe it is around 38 billion, but I've seen some articles that say it's actually 20 billion. All right, so those were some of the things I looked at when I was starting to decide if I wanted to invest in Robinhood or not. Obviously, I looked at more things, but I didn't want to bore you guys with the details, the analysis and things like that. So let me know in the comment section below, and I might even do, another stock analysis. I plan on buying a couple more stocks next week. I can even do a video on the stocks that I'm planning to buy. And as always, this is my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. You have to do your own research at the end of the day. But if you want to get free stocks, you can sign up using the links in the description below. One is for Webull, one is for Robinhood. You can pick whatever platform you want to use. But if you use the links in the description below, you're going to get a free stock. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to go ahead and hit the subscribe button below if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.